Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is February 8th, being Saturday, 2025. Nigerian government discover over 6,000 Niger Republic nationals with NIN as Tinubu orders clean up. Hello. This is another war that Tinubu want to start. When I mean war, I'm not talking about war with gun battle and so on and so forth. This is a war against false identities in Nigeria. Okay? Now, on 25th day of February 2022, on 25th day of February 2022, check the video I did that very day. Then you come back to August 2023, on 21st day of August 2023. I made a video, and the videos I was talking about the Niger Republic indigents who are trooping into Nigeria collecting NIN numbers. And I reported, if you can bear me witness, I said hundreds of thousands, that they are about to knock 1 million people who have NIN, but these people are not Nigeria. And once you have NIN, you can do almost everything in Nigeria. Okay? Now, after I reported the news, a lot of people called me mad. People tell me that I'm just trying to launch an attack against the North. Some person says that, oh, it's because somebody... A lot of talks just came that period of time, but I know that one day everything I said on this platform, one after the other, I will be vindicated, because I am not here to just come out and report what does not exist. Okay, if you follow my reports, everything I say on this platform, go and fact check them. I have never come out to say anything that I have not seen the proof, not even hearing that I have not seen the proof that this thing is happening. Okay, now the previous administration masterminded all these things. Buhari masterminded all these things. Buhari makes sure he opens border for the Fulanese, while his brother, at the time, he declared open border and visa policy that everybody in Africa should come to Nigeria. He was targeting a particular set of people because he knows that Ghanaians cannot come, people from Benin Republic cannot come, South Africans cannot come, because they are not coming to suffer. Okay, but it was targeted for set of people. They even constructed a railway to Niger Republic. So, because Buhari is from Niger Republic, and anytime there is election, they try to make, they have voters card as well. They try to make these people to come into Nigeria. Now, Tinubu is preparing for national electronic census. And one of his mission now is to make sure that everyone that is not a Nigerian must not be a Nigerian. That is what he's trying to do, okay? So let's follow this report one after the other. By the way, the 6,000 persons discovered by the federal government are just the beginning. They are numerous. As I speak to you, they are almost 1 million plus now, okay? Tell me, during an election, 1 million plus is a very huge vote added to another person. And that is why I do tell you people that your PVCs can never work, that your elections can't change anything. Any federal election in this country has no capacity to give you what you want. It is still going to be in the circle. Anytime the cabal or the new colonies chooses somebody, no matter what you do, they know how to deliver the person. So a country can never work in that manner. And it's a very silly something for you to think that with these things that Nigeria is still going to work. What do I know, self? Anyway, let's visit the details of this article. It was written February 8, 2025. Now, here is the details. So, the Nigerian government discovers over 6,000 Niger Republic nationals with NIN as Tinubu orders cleanup. Anyway, I'm not a fan of Tinubu, you know that, but I think Tinubu is taking a very crucial steps, okay, to step on toes of people who think that nobody can question them or they own everything. Now, the article continues. The National Identity Management Commission, NIMC, has said it has identified over 6,000 Niger Republic nationals registered on its database with the National Identification Number, NIN. This was as President Bola Tinubu directed an inter-ministerial committee to ensure comprehensive data for the National Social Register for the Federal Government Social Investment Program. Sources in the presidency told Punch newspaper that the Minister of Interior, Olubunmi Tunji Ojo, briefed the Federal Executive Council on Tuesday, February 4, 2025, on the activities of the NIMC, an agency under his purview. The minister reportedly affirmed that the NINs were withdrawn from the illegal holders in an ongoing database cleanup. On October 13, 2022, the Defense Headquarters in Abuja said troops in conjunction with the Nigerian police and operatives of the Nigerian Immigration Service intercepted two suspected fake NIMC officials. Now, out of the article. Now, on this said date, people who were registering for other people are nationals, NIN. They were fake officials, but they were doing it. Hacking the system, putting people. Did you hear the news? No, but I broke it before this thing happened. I broke the news February before this thing happened in October. So that 2022. Follow me. The Director of Defense Media Operation at the time, Major General Musa Damdami, in a statement said it was revealed that the suspect had visited the Gajamari IDP camp in the Niger Republic to register non-Nigerians in the IDP camp. Full stop. Now, I want to explain some things to you again. Do you remember that last week, is it last week or last 2 weeks? I don't want to make mistake. Where plane brought people from Niamey, Niger Republic to Kanu. They said they are Nigerians who are in Niger Republic. What did I told you last 2 weeks? I told you that these people they brought, they are not Nigerians. I told you, and I know the reason why I said they are not Nigerian, because this is what I know right from time. This is what I have been following right from time. Okay, now let's continue. Items recovered from the suspect include national identification number registration machine, printing machine, laminating machine, a computer tracking machine, and a generator set, among other items. The fake agents were reportedly charging non-Nigerian citizens, primarily from neighboring countries such as Niger Republic, to obtain Nigeria NIN. Who masterminded this thing? Who masterminded it? Who gave those things to them? Who gave them the code to log in into the system? This is what we know already, okay? Buhari region did that, okay? And all these things are just what they plan for other people to hijack everything in Nigeria. It's working for them, okay? It is working for them. It is working for them. Now, investigations reveal that such fraudulent registration occur in border communities, further heighten the risk of unauthorized access to Nigerian identity credentials. The NIMC enroll citizens and legal residents, assigning them a unique NIN. The 11-digit number is tied to an individual biometric and demographic data, providing a centralized system to verify personal identity for various governmental and private transactions. Sources at the presidency said that the President Tinubu wanted the existing database to reflect the details of the most vulnerable Nigerians who needed social intervention, such as conditional cash transfer and student loans. A source said it was the Minister of Interior that gave that briefing because, NIMC is under him. The Interior Minister said NIMC is tidying up the database because they found over 6,000 people from Niger Republic who obtained NIN, but they have been wiped from the database. Now the article continues, but let me stop the article here. I have extracted, the information I needed from this article for the purpose of explaining what is going on to you. Now, this is just the beginning of, discovering the fake citizens in Nigeria. Most of these people are in Nigeria. Most of them don't have, a lot of them have, and they can't even discover a lot of them. They can't discover a lot of them. Now, another info I want to give you, do people understand when the ministry, what is it called? Is it the Ministry of Poverty and Innovation before? They will tell you that they have transferred almost 2 billion to Nigeria, so people are doubting them. I have a friend who explained what transpired. One of his friends who is a Fundani told him that if, for example, you look like me, I can change your name, I will do ID card for you, they will be paying you every month. They are paying them. There are so many things, deep things happening in Nigeria that you cannot even understand. You will say, what are these people even saying? If they explain things happening in Nigeria to you, we say, no, all this thing does not exist, just forget about it. And that is the same reason I will tell you that this nation cannot work. This nation cannot work. So, even during election, I repeat, the voters card registration from other people who are not Nigerians, foreigners, they are up to 1 million. They are up to 1 million voters cards. So during the last election, we saw how, partly they clean some of them were unable to vote. Okay, that is why you see Nigeria has almost 100 million people who register for vote, and during the vote, someone who won with almost only 8 million votes, and the total is not above 20 million votes. Think now. Think. No matter how that people don't have faith in the election, if Nigeria is a country that is going to war, they're supposed to have like 50 million people who came out to vote. So all those things are fraud. All those things you are saying are fraud, and there is no way it can work. It will not work. So, why saying that I don't believe that any system will work in Nigeria because of my personal investigation, because of what I have seen? I still want to say that Tinubu is taking some steps that nobody even believed Tinubu could take. Okay? I am not biased. I'm just trying to think normal. The man is taking steps to step on toes. He don't care. Okay? But I'm not his fan, I'm not his supporter, and I don't like him. But I must say the things that he's doing. And if he can continue to do things like this, I think time will come. The only thing that is binding Nigeria together is what people are gaining from the fraudulent system. The only thing that is binding Nigeria together, like the bunkering work that people are benefiting, you can't tell them that they should divide Nigeria. What are they going to do with the oil well? Where are they going to put the oil well? So because of all these things, they will say they don't want Nigeria to divide. After the presidential election, Sowore revealed that Obasanjo ran to someone to tell him that, oh, we have to tell Obi to tell his people not to protest because we don't want Nigeria to divide. Because his oil well is what he's thinking, not you. They don't think about you. They think about their oil wells. They think about the illegal gold mining that they are carrying to Dubai, to Qatar, to Egypt, to Saudi Arabia. They don't think about you. They think about everything they are benefiting, exploiting from you. And that is why I said, you people should think normal, okay? The power of the people is always above the power of all these people who are ganging up together. I call them cabals. The masses has power more than them. The only thing is that we have not been able to realize our power and speak in one voice. How many people are they going to kill at once, okay? Anyway, it is what it is. I don't believe that this system is going to work again.